Joe moves in. A First Week Scrapbook. Hi, it's me, Joe. This is my scrapbook. I made it to help me remember my first week in my new home with my new friends. Take a look. I brought my camera so I could take lots of pictures. Here's a picture of my brother Steve. I took it just before he went away to college. I'm going to miss him, but we'll send letters to each other. I won't miss my dad Boris because he's going to live here too. Boris likes having his picture taken. Tickety Talk wakes me up bright and early every morning. One morning, I woke up extra early and took Tickety's picture. She sure was surprised. Blue wakes up early too, but Boris likes to sleep late. Oops, I forgot to bring my toothbrush. But guess who gave me a brand new toothbrush with blue squares all over it? That's right, slippery soap. I just had to take a picture. Boris already made 3 new friends. Oh, guess what else I brought? From my old home to my new home. My favorite clothes. Here's a picture of my favorite shirts in my favorite colors. I love them all. Which is your favorite? One morning, Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper made strawberry pancakes for breakfast. Yum! Here is the picture of Mrs. Pepper took of me at the table. Look at the family pictures I took. Everyone's saying cheese. We played Blue's Clues, but I didn't have a notebook, so I took pictures of the clues instead. And you know what? I figured out Blue's Clues all by myself. The answer was side table drawer. Can you guess what was in side table's drawer? It was my very own handy-dandy notebook that Blue made for me. I had the best time playing hide and seek with Shovel and Pail. So did Boris. I found the greatest hiding place, but Pail found me anyway and took a picture. Oh well. I guess Boris found a better hiding place than I did. Can you find him? I met my neighbor Periwinkle. He did a great magic trick with his cape where he made Boris disappear. At first I was a little scared, but then Boris appeared again. Periwinkle collects things that roll. I took pictures of some of his collection. Look, this is a picture of my first letter. Mailbox brought it to me. It was from all my new friends. I had no idea what their special surprise was. Do you? Go to the kitchen for a special surprise. Welcome, Joe. The special surprise was a party, just for me. This is a picture of everyone shouting, "Welcome, Joe." Everybody shouted for Boris too. I know I'm going to love it here. So will Boris. What a great first week in my new house. I wonder what we'll do tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Blue's Clues stories, check out my Blue's Clues playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos as soon as they're released.